Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the double image banner section. This section allows you to display two images side by side in a banner format, creating a more dynamic and visually impactful design for your store. It's perfect for highlighting promotions, showcasing products, or drawing attention to key messages, all while enhancing your store's overall look and feel. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the double image banner section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the double image banner section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the double image banner section. To add it, click Add Section, search for double image banner, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Start by uploading your first image, then upload your second image. Using two images helps create balance and gives you more space to highlight different content or offers. Adjust the image overlay opacity from 0% to 100% to control how much overlay appears on your edges. Great for improving text visibility. Choose your banner height. Adapt to first image. Automatically adjusts the banner height based on your first uploaded image, ensuring the layout stays natural and proportional. Small creates a compact banner, ideal for minimal sections or when you don't want the banner to take up too much screen space. Medium, a balanced option that provides enough visibility without overwhelming the page, great for most use cases. Large, expands the banner for maximum impact, perfect for highlighting key promotions, featured products, or important announcements. You can also set the mobile section height separately to ensure a perfect fit on smaller screens. Use Adapt to First Image to maintain the original proportions for mobile. Choose Small to keep content concise and easy to scroll. Select Medium for a balanced mobile layout. Go with Large if you want a more immersive, full-screen feel on mobile devices. Select your desktop content position to control exactly where your text and buttons appear within the banner. Top left, top center, top right. Ideal for placing content in the upper area of your images. This works well when the main visual focus is lower in the image, leaving space above for text. Middle left, middle center, middle right. Positions your content in the center of the banner. This is the most balanced and commonly used option, ensuring your message stays clearly visible and aligned with the main focal point. Bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Places your content toward the bottom of the banner. Great for images where the top area is more visually busy, allowing your text to sit in a cleaner space below. Enable Show Container on desktop to display content inside a structured container, or disable it for a full-width layout. Choose how your images behave with animation effects to add movement and bring your banner to life. None for a static layout. Ambient movement for a gentle motion effect. Fixed background for a parallax style feel. Zoom in on scroll for dynamic engagement. You can also enable stack images on mobile, which places images vertically for better readability on smaller screens. Similarly, toggle Show Container on mobile to control how content appears on mobile devices. Match the double image banner section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. You can add CTA blocks to enrich your banner, such as advanced double button, caption, description, double button, icon, image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full flexibility to design your content exactly the way you want. And that's it. Your double image banner section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.